Imagine this, a tiny 732-byte Python script, discovered by an AI scanning tool in about an hour, is currently capable of granting root access to every Linux machine, updated since 2017. This isn't theoretical, we're talking about unprivileged local users gaining complete control. And this isn't even the full picture of what AI is doing to our digital foundations. This particular exploit, CVE 2026-31431, was unearthed by an AI driven by sophisticated prompts. Like Splice can deliver page cache references of read-only files to crypto.txt scatter lists could go look, this isn't just about speed, it highlights the new, advanced capabilities of AI in security analysis. The implications are profound. This vulnerability compromises essentially every Linux system updated since 2017. It allows root access by writing uncontrolled bytes directly into the page cache of any readable file, including critical system files like SU. Digging into it, this bug has been lurking since commits in 2015 and 2017. It targets the Linux kernel's ONCESN authentication encryption extended sequence numbers, specifically through the AF_AGL interface and a flaw in the AFG splice function. This isn't some niche bug, its impact is universal, affecting major distributions like Debian, Arch, Red Hat, and Ubuntu. CrowdStrike has already confirmed active exploitation in the wild, which pushed CISA to add it to their known exploited vulnerabilities catalog. What's truly alarming is that Theory has publicly released this exploit. Consider that the gray market value for universal Linux privilege escalation exploits like this previously ranged from $10,000 to a staggering $7 million. Public release shifts the entire risk calculus. Yet, as AI accelerates threat discovery on one front, it's simultaneously introducing immense pressure on our most critical infrastructure. Take GitHub, for instance. Acquired by Microsoft in 2018 for $7.5 billion, it's become the public record of software, hosting over 420 million projects. You'd expect rock-solid stability. Their official status page consistently reports above 99% uptime for all services. But the reality behind the scenes tells a different story. A brutal dip below 90% uptime in 2025, tracking around 86% in April 2026. That's a critical disconnect between perception and reality in a platform so fundamental to development. This wasn't just a series of bad luck. The root cause of this alarming instability? A sharp acceleration in agentic development workflows and a massive increase in AI agent traffic on GitHub, a trend that began in 2025. The impact was immediate and disruptive. On April 23, 292 pull requests across 658 repositories went unmerged by the merge queue. A botnet attack crippled GitHub search for hours on April 27. The very next day, the CTO issued apologies for reliability issues, and a critical remote code execution vulnerability was detailed. The breaking point arrived on April 30, 2026, when Mitchell Hashimoto, user 1299 since 2008, announced Ghosty's departure from GitHub, citing persistent outages that directly impacted his daily work. This has positioned alternatives like GitLab, Codeberg, and SourceHut to significantly benefit. The digital future demands systems as robust, as adaptable, and as resilient as the threats and opportunities AI itself presents. For that Linux kernel exploit, immediate updates across all affected kernels aren't merely recommended, they are foundational to security, and for our core development platforms. The era of perceived stability must swiftly give way to a new reality of infrastructure that can truly keep pace with the visionary speed of innovation. The full picture isn't clear yet, but these numbers don't lie.